everybody, it's Neil, and I needed some new battery packs, so I actually got one that has a wire included, and then I got a separate little individual one here, and this is by Veek, what is it? Veektomx, Veektomix, and it's the VT103, and it should be 10,000 milliamps. So let's see how big this is. They say they've gotten them smaller now, so we'll see how small this compares to some of these other things that I've gotten. And yeah, it does look pretty small. So let's see as we open up the bag here. The box. Let's see, it comes with this and this. Okay, so box is empty. So we've got a charger that's USB-C, so it's USB to USB-C. And then we've got some instructions here for it as well. So it's got a product diagram or whatever. I don't know if you need this. You could probably pause it and zoom in if you really needed some instructions. Here's the back if you need it. Hopefully that gives y'all some information. Very little instructions. It's just in a lot of different languages, I think. Yeah, there's only English is only this section right here, these two. So this is what it looks like. So I just took it out of this bag. So this is what it looks like. It's super small and thin. It's actually really thin compared to, I have this one here, which is 5,000, and this is 10,000. So you can see it's slightly thicker, but it's way smaller. And it's probably about the same width. So it's pretty cool. And then let's see what we got here. So we have the 3 ports on there. So we have the, what is that? The micro USB right there. We have a USB and USB-C. So you can just use those. And the type C is in and out. So you could use it for charging, or you could use it to power like a watch charger or something else that's USB-C. And then we have the regular USB out. So very cool. And it's 10,000. So that's really cool. And then we have the screen. And let's see if I push it, we are at 68%. So very cool that it gives us the percent. And it's Veektomix, and it's so really super convenient and easy. It's even got a little place for a string on it. It's funny because I actually had one sitting around here. I don't know, this might be too long to stick on it, but it's kind of cool that it gives you that ability to have it on there. So very cool. So I'm going to say this is awesome. And it puts out US Type-C output is 5 volts at 3 amps. So it looks like it does fast charging as well. USB will do 5 amps. So very cool. So super awesome. Very nice little battery pack. So I'm going to say this is great. So this is thumbs up from me. Go ahead and pick one up. I'll put a link in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Thanks.